How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we're doing another top 3 stocks for July. In my last video I did IBIO, AYTU, and GNUS, and today's video we're doing SPCE, Virgin Galactic, Norwegian Cruise Lines, and VXRT. So let's get right into it. First, we're looking at SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings. Very crazy stock for this one. Back to the 180-day chart. Went from $6.90 all the way up to $42. Power move right now. And then ever since the downfall from Corona, it's been trading in this channel, which is actually a good channel, not to be underestimate the power of this, because right now is right there from $14 all the way up there to $20, and that's a very good channel. It's easy to break. Lots of news on it. For Virgin Galactic, you don't know, they want to send personal, what's the word I'm looking for? Looking for private citizens to launch into space. So very great, actually. With NASA, and then you just had the SpaceX go up, a private company launching into space for the first time. You know, the possibility is there now, so everybody's got that in their mind. And Virgin Galactic has been into space 2 times, actually, and with their Spaceship 2 now docked in Spaceport America in New Mexico. So they're getting ready to launch, and July 28th, they're looking to reveal the cabin. So just another, and Richard Branson wants to really go to space. He's been really pushing space recently, and ever since Corona, they were going to launch in July. That's what the plan was, and then Corona really messed everything up for everybody here. So you really hate to see it. But like I said, that channel needs to break. That channel, there's little resistance all the way up to $42. It's unbelievable. And if this company can launch private citizens in space, and there's very little accidents, space is dangerous, guys. It's very uncharted territories for the most part, at least. And yeah, so this is a great long time hold. It could be a good swing trade too. Every couple weeks it goes up $1 or $2, sometimes even more than that. So if you're looking for a quick flip, maybe go on to the VXRT in this video. But it's a good hold for me. I'm holding quite a bit of share sizes. But yes, all right, we'll go into VXRT. VXRT is another wild stock. This moves a couple dollars almost every week, and it's crazy for a sub $10 stock to be doing this. Now we'll take a look at the higher day charts in a second, but right there, 850 to 740. Power, it's crazy on the short side, and also long side. Look at that, all the way up to $14.30, and then try to push up and got rejected, and also trading in this channel. Now I chose this stock because I do think there will be a rebound. It looks like it can bounce off these lows right there at $7.44, and then as well as $7 on the dot. Now if it breaks it, am I saying the chart is ruined? No, but at the same time, it wouldn't look bullish. But any PR can send this flying like it already did. It went from $3 up to $14.30. And when in March, when the whole coronavirus news stock, crazy wildness movement, it went up crazy, and then it pulled back, and then you just got this new PR recently about their vaccine and their not really partnership, but you guys know what I'm talking about, with the U.S. government, their approval. You can go ahead and start testing and pump the stock. So what's to say that VXRT right now won't come up with the cure? It may not be. It could be Moderna, could be any other company, but I'm saying, you guys keep this on your watch list, because even if any slightest news about a vaccination for any company will send it flying. Now, don't get caught in the pullback, but there will be a stock. I almost guarantee it. Moderna, it could be Moderna, IBIO. If one of these companies finds a cure, it will be unbelievable price movement. FOMO will be unbelievable. You'll have all the rookie traders be trading it. And like I said, guys, if it can break 7, then you have 8, 9, 10. But if it can break $12, there's little resistance all the way up to 14. That's an easy $2 play. You guys know 1,000 shares, and right there, that's $2,000. So keep this on your watch list. I will definitely keep it on mine. If it can break $7, but if it can hold $7 and break $8 or break this little channel downtrend we're going into, it will look great for the future. But moving on to Norwegian Cruise Lines, Let's get ahead and right into it. I set up these videos from less risky to all the way risky, and Norwegian is the riskiest one on this chart. Yes, before COVID was trading at a high of $59, and then right there at a low of $9. So with this is very risky. Obviously, I don't think Norwegian will go out of business, but really, you really can't go wrong with getting in anything below it. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable price action. And obviously, cruise lines we'll look at the news, but obviously just had a, like it says you can't go on cruises anymore until August. So obviously, the company earnings will be really bad. But now, I'm not saying go ahead and jump on this right now. Like, don't buy it right now. Obviously, do your research on any of these companies. But trading at $15 or almost $16, and it went up to 59, that's almost 4 times your money. So that is unbelievable price action. Now, if you can get it for cheaper, that'd be great. If you get it more expensive, it doesn't really matter because it has a high up there of $59.78. And now, if you look at the earnings, right, $3, $2.30, and then 73 cents, and then now just 99 cents. And if it can be, even if it's 98 cents, it's in the right direction. Now, but I really don't think it's going to be, it could be 99 cents or it could be $1.30, which would be bad because it'll be the really opposite direction. But if earnings are bad, if this, let me tell you this, if this drops below $10, I'm loading up. Remember, guys, plan your trade, change your plan. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, so obviously not good news, but this is a long time deal for me. Leave what are you guys planning to trade in the comments. But look in the news now, they said cruise lines won't get helped out from the government, so that's not good. So honestly, this applies to any cruise lines, and I guess you could apply it to airports too, that as long as they don't go out of business, you really can't go wrong, because just because there's coronavirus, even when there's a cure, people are still going to travel. People are still going to go on vacation, travel for work, and for airports. But I mean, you guys look at the numbers, right? Norwegian Cruise Lines, their earnings are going up. So if coronavirus happened, this cup would probably be trading at $70 right now. It's the summertime, people go on vacation. So it's unbelievable, the price action. Now, there's really no support. There's support in businesses, obviously, but with news like this, it's very volatile. I mean, you look at the volume plays, and it usually traded at 2 to 5 million per day, and now sometimes the high was at 39 million shares per day, and that is huge for a 10 to 20 price dollar company. Because then every rookie trader can put 1,000 shares into it. They can put maybe like 10 to 50 shares. So it's a lot of price action, but it's definitely also risky, but it's definitely on my top 3. Alright guys, if you stuck around this long, I really do appreciate you. I'm just doing a trader, and the stocks we went over was SPCE NCLH, and we went over VXRT. Now, thank you for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good 4th of July.